Why do mosquitoes even exist? Why? 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 All they seem to do is ruin our sleep, and not just that. They also spread deadly viruses like dengue, yellow fever, Japanese encephalitis, and the Zika virus. Malaria alone, which is also transmitted by mosquitoes, claims the lives of about 250 million people every year. So are mosquitoes truly essential to the ecosystem? Even scientists have mixed opinions on this. Some argue that mosquitoes play a role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. By occupying the bottom of the food chain, according to them, eliminating mosquitoes could cause significant disruption to the environment. On the other hand, there are scientists who claim that mosquitoes are so insignificant in the grand scheme of things that the world would be better off without them. In fact, research is already underway to wipe out mosquitoes entirely. Conservationists highlight the mosquito's role as a food source for birds and other animals, suggesting that they play a positive part in the ecosystem. But those in favor of eradication point out that mosquitoes make up only a tiny portion of the diet of these animals, and they could easily switch to other food sources if mosquitoes disappear. Proponents of mosquito conservation also argue that mosquito larvae help filter ecosystems by consuming organic debris and microorganisms. However, others counter that plenty of other organisms could perform the same function in their absence. There's more. Mosquitoes suck up to 300 milliliters of blood per reindeer per day, which causes reindeer herds to move against the wind to avoid them. This in turn affects the soil, vegetation, and the range of predators that follow the reindeer. In this way, removing mosquitoes could change the movement patterns of reindeer and have a cascading effect on the ecosystem. Some also point out that mosquitoes feed on plant juices and serve as pollinators. So if mosquitoes were to vanish, thousands of plant species might struggle to reproduce. All in all, if mosquitoes were to disappear, it would definitely cause disruptions in the ecosystem. We can't accurately predict how big that disruption would be, but it might be enough to satisfy the belief of those who argue that every creature has its role in nature. Still, from a strictly human-centered perspective, there are major advantages to eliminating mosquitoes. Fewer people would suffer from mosquito-borne diseases, saving countless lives and reducing healthcare costs. Economically, countries in sub-Saharan Africa could see a 1.3% increase in national income each year, thanks to saved medical expenses. So whether or not mosquitoes should be eradicated really depends on what you value more: ecosystem balance or human health and economic benefit. But one thing's for sure in my house: there's no designated role for mosquitoes.